Instead of looking around during the Eid prayer, take 5 minutes to learn this properly, Eid prayer and its method intention, to pray 2 rakats of Eid-ul-Adha prayer with 6 additional Zayd takbirs. First, rakat Allahu Akbar. Begin prayer. Recite Sana, Subhanakallahumma. Then say 3 takbirs Allahu Akbar. Let hands down, Allahu Akbar. Let hands down, Allahu Akbar. Tie hands. Start Qira'at. Then say, A'udhu Billahi. Bismillah. The Imam will recite Surah Al-Fatiha and another surah. Continue with Ruku and Sajda. First rakat complete. Second rakat. Bismillah. Imam will recite Surah Al-Fatiha and another surah. After the recitation, say 3 takbirs Allahu Akbar. Let hands down, Allahu Akbar. Let hands down, Allahu Akbar. Let hands down. Then say Allahu Akbar and go into Ruku, perform Sajda, then Salam to end prayer. MashaAllah, your Eid prayer is complete. Practice for 5 minutes daily. Teach others too. Important note, delivering the khutbah, sermon, after Eid, prayer is Sunnah. Listening to it quietly is Wajib, necessary.